Another daily tip. Turns out there's a bunch of us that want to block out our neighbors with a privacy fence. So I found the hardware. I got a 12-foot patio at the back door of my house. And as you can see, zero privacy. You can also see that the yard is a little bit interesting. And I personally rather not look at it, so I'm going to build a fence. We have to start with our posts, and those are going right on top of the concrete with these little brackets. Now that I have those set, I'm going to put the posts in, get them level, get them plumb, get them square. Also going to put a 2x4 across the top just to hold everything all together. Once I knew those distances weren't going to move, then I can cut my boards to the exact length that I needed. I set up a little jig and got the exact measurement every single time, and it actually went pretty quick. Then we had to paint it. And if you have followed me for any length of time, you know exactly why I'm painting these. This Graco Quick Shot made this job so quick. Of course, Callan was out helping, getting his fingers in all the paint and also taping everything he could. But that was okay because we had to wait for the paint to dry anyway. So let's get the brackets set. This is a screenshot of the hardware I used, and I actually just ordered it through Lowe's.com. You're going to put one screw in this L bracket so then it can spin on the center. The other 3 holes on the other side, that's obviously going to hold your material down. Always pre-drill. Pre-drilling is going to prevent your wood from splitting, and if your wood is splitting, it's not going to hold. In this kit, there's also screws provided. Just do not over-tighten them. So far, so good. Super easy. And now that we got them all put up, now we got to connect them all together so they can be easily moved. The kit obviously provides these little links, but what we need is we just need to rivet those all together. And honestly, that's it. It was that quick and that easy. Remember, like and follow because I will make your life easier.